Okay, FastFocus for 429. Number 1, Byron's go-kart weighs 76 and 8/10 kilograms. If he removes the bumper, it will weigh 2 and 7/900 kilograms less. How many kilograms will Byron's go-kart weigh without the bumper? So we're looking for the weight without the bumper. So the go-kart weighs this, 76 and 8/10. He removes, which means takes away, right? If you take something away, and it will weigh 2 and 7/900 kilograms less. So line up your decimals, 76 and 8/10, 2 and 7/900. There's nothing over the 9, so you have to place a 0, and then you can subtract. Make sure you're lining up your decimals and that your decimal lines up in your answer. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, Miss Stern placed 1/4 pound of sugar, 1/2 pound of flour, and 1/8 pound of salt in a mixing bowl. How much sugar, flour, and salt is in the bowl? So she's putting everything into a mixing bowl, so we're combining 1/4, 1/2, and 1/8. So 1/4, 1/2, and 1/8. You're going to make equivalent fractions by finding a common denominator. When you have 3 numbers, you have to just start with the biggest one, which is 8. So we know that my least common multiple cannot be less than 8. So we start with the 4. Can 4 go into 8 evenly? And then you look at the 2. Can 2 go into 8 evenly? If 4 and 2 both go into this 8 evenly, then 8 is going to be your common denominator. So now you're going to make equivalent fractions. Add. Your answer will be improper, so you will taboo, top in, bottom out, to get your denominator, your mixed number. Number 3, Paulino built a model boat, airplane, and car using balsa wood. The boat weighed 2 and 8/10 ounces. The airplane weighed 3 and 16/16 ounces. And the car weighed 4 and 95,000 ounces. What's the total weight of the 3 models? Okay, total weight just means add. So you're going to add the boat, 2 and 8/10, the airplane, 3 and 16/100, and the car, 4 and 95,000. Remember, you're going to line up the decimal, fill in the holes with zeros, and then add. Okay, perfect. Number 4, Nalani's canteen holds 1 and 3/10 liters of water. Keon's canteen holds 1 1/2 liters. How many liters of water do the canteens hold together? All right. So this is an adding problem, but you're having to add a decimal and a fraction. Well, if you look at your answer choices, they're all fractions. So that means I'm going to take 1 3/10 and change it into a fraction. So you have to look back at what we've done on Daily Rigor. And if you had a number that was 1 3/10, the 3 is in the tenths place, right? 1 in its place value. So that means 10. So 1 3/10 will be 1